Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine, enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some most attractive and beautiful designing ideas of crochet hats for babies. Most of the designs which I have included in this video are for 0 to 12 month size, or 1 to 3 year sizes are also included in this video, and almost all of these designs can be made for almost all sizes, and these designs are very unique, and most of the designs are having very attractive and beautiful 3D crochet flower added on them as well. Most of the designs are having just one single larger sized flower, but you will also see smaller sized flowers attached on these hats in different numbers. So all of these designs are having different crochet patterns, as you can see, and double crochet stitch is used as major stitch in most of these patterns. Different patterns of double crochet stitches like simple round double crochet stitch hat pattern, shell stitch pattern, V stitch pattern, and granny stripped patterns are made with double crochet stitches, and other different patterns like this one made with double crochet round and double crochet plus chain one round, one after the other. And the previous design was made with double crochet and chain one pattern. This one is made with a modified shell stitch pattern. So all of these designs are unique and different from each other, and a few of the designs are having a single crochet stitch patterns in them as well. And you can see along with these 2 layer or 3 layer flowers on some of the heads, leaves are also attached, which are also giving an extremely unique and beautiful look. So I hope you're gonna love these designing ideas, and you would definitely give them a try for your babies if you love them. So just give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box if you love them. You can just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home very easily if you know crochet work. If you don't know crochet work, you can also let me know in the comments about any specific idea video or tutorial video of crochet work, because on this channel, other than ideas videos, crochet tutorial videos are also available. So you can let me know in the comments. I will make tutorial videos on your request too. So just stay connected and share this video with other handmade products lover in your circle. And if you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing as well. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So stay connected, and also share this video and give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.